In today's digital age, online selling presents a golden opportunity for teens eager to earn quick money from the comfort of their homes. This venture offers the unparalleled advantage of reaching a vast audience without geographical limitations, ensuring that your products can be seen by a global market. With the flexibility to manage your online store around your schedule, whether after school or during weekends, it seamlessly integrates into a teen's busy life. Moreover, the potential for significant earnings is substantial, providing not just a supplementary income, but in some cases, a lucrative venture into the world of business and entrepreneurship. Selecting the right online platform is crucial for selling success, as each platform caters to different needs and audiences. eBay, with its auction-based model, is excellent for unique items and collectibles, offering wide visibility but with higher fees. Etsy is the go-to platform for handmade or vintage items, appealing to a niche market interested in unique, crafty products. It's particularly beginner-friendly with its supportive community and straightforward fee structure. Instagram, on the other hand, capitalizes on visual appeal and social interaction, perfect for sellers who can market their products through stories and posts, leveraging a personal brand without upfront fees. Embarking on the journey of online selling starts with identifying what to sell. A practical tip for teens is to explore their own homes for items that are no longer in use but may hold value for someone else. From gadgets gathering dust to clothes outgrown but still in fashion, these can be the initial offerings in your online store. Alternatively, crafting handmade goods not only allows for a creative outlet, but also caters to a growing demand for personalized items. Visiting local thrift shops can also uncover hidden gems that, with a bit of cleanup, can turn a profit. The key is to start small, focusing on items that you're knowledgeable about and that have a demonstrated market demand. Crafting appealing listings is an art that increases visibility and sales. The cornerstone of an enticing listing is high-quality photography that showcases the item in the best light, capturing intricate details and the true condition. Accompanying these images with detailed descriptions provides potential buyers with a clear understanding of what they're purchasing, including dimensions, materials, and any unique features. Appropriate pricing is a delicate balance between competitive market rates and the item's condition and rarity. Above all, honesty and transparency about the item's condition are paramount. This approach not only builds trust with your buyers, but also fosters a positive selling experience. In the world of online selling, safety and exceptional customer service are pillars of success. Utilizing secure payment methods protects both buyer and seller, minimizing the risk of fraudulent transactions. Transparent communication is key, allowing sellers to foster trust and clarify any potential issues up front. Beyond individual transactions, building a good sales reputation online is invaluable. Positive feedback and a track record of reliable service position sellers as trustworthy, encouraging repeat business and attracting new customers. Remember, a satisfied customer is not just a successful sale. It's a stepping stone towards a sustained online selling career.